1. Waking up before the world wakes up, before the noise, before the endless scrolling. That's when I meet who I really am, and I show up every time. 2. Making my bed, not for cleanliness, for momentum. Win the first fight of the day. 3. Cold showers, 60 seconds of discipline. If I can beat comfort, I can beat anything. 4. Daily walks without my phone, no noise, no distractions, just clarity. That's where most of my best ideas are born. 5. 1 hour of deep work, no tabs, no notifications, just ruthless focus and real productivity. 6. Lifting heavy, in the gym and in life. Iron sharpens more than muscle. 7. Drinking water like it's fuel, because it is. 8. Reading 10 pages every day. It rewired how I think. My mind stopped chasing chaos and started chasing growth. 9. Journaling. Some days it's messy, some days it's powerful, but every day it's honest. 10. Keeping one promise to myself daily, even a small one. That's how self-trust is rebuilt. 11. No screen time in the first hour of the day. Guard your mind before the world invades it. 12. Tracking my time, not to be perfect, but to be aware. Most people don't even notice where their hours disappear. 13. Saying no more often, not out of arrogance, but to protect my edge. 14. Silence at night, no music, no content, just me and my thoughts. That's where healing begins. 15. Daily movement, even when I'm exhausted. Motion kills stagnation. 16. Eating clean, not for looks, for energy, for clarity, for battle. 17. Keeping my space clean. Outer disorder creates inner disorder. I clean like it matters, you, because it does. 18. Writing down 3 wins every night, even if the win was, I didn't quit today. 19. Speaking to myself with respect. If I don't stand for myself, who will? 20. Reminding myself daily, no one is coming to save me. I am the plan. These 20 habits didn't transform me overnight. They changed me slowly, uncomfortably, permanently. It was never about motivation, it was about repetition, stacking small wins, building identity, evolving quietly, because the strongest transformations are the ones no one hears happening.